Too much of alcohol gives us hangover, dizziness in the head, pain in the joints. The finger joints, calf muscles start hurting. The lower back and the spine gets very stiff. Then there is a headache. The uric acid in the body increases. As a result, when we pass urine, there is a burning sensation because the acidic content in the body is more, because of which we also get the joint pain. Now, what should I do? And one more thing is, alcohol kills the nutrition in the liver. So now I show the asanas which can be done when you have hangover. Early morning when you wake up and you have all these symptoms of headache, back pain, numbness and pain in the joints, what are the basic yoga postures or asanas one can do to get rid of that tiredness and the pain? Okay, so that we start. First, lie down in Shavasana. As you wake up in the morning with all the symptoms, that is numbness, back pain, calf muscle pain, joint pain. So how do I start? Start. Stretch. Close. Stretch. Close the fingers. Along with it, stretch your toes out and in. Do this 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, rotate. You can go slower than what I am doing right now. Reverse. Now, take the toes, close the fingers, open, close, open, close, open, close and open. Now take your right leg, fold it, slowly press it on your abs. We relax the lower back. Hold this for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel the stretch at your hamstrings, hips and lower back. 9 and 10. Now take the same leg towards your shoulder. Grip it like this. Hold it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now change. The other leg. Leg straight. Now lying down, shoulder rotation like this. 1. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in as you take your hands up. 5 rounds done. We do reverse. Again, palms by the side. Relax the body. Now take the feet like this. Hands by the side here. Drop the legs to your left side and look in the opposite direction. We get the stretch at the lower back and hips. It will remove the tightness around your lower 5 vertebrae. Hold it for 10 counts, 20 counts as you are comfortable in that position. And I shall move now to the other side and hold it for 10 counts. And look in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, we come back. One more variation for the lower back pain to remove the stiffness from the spine. Place the leg on the top here now and drop it down. Look in the opposite direction. Again we hold. We get a little more intense stretch on the lower back. Hold it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. Again come back and we change the leg position. Here, the other leg goes up and stretch. See that both your shoulders are on the floor, and slowly come back. Bring the leg back into the position and Pavan Muktasana. Press both the legs on your tummy like this and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and come back. Here, drop the legs again. 1. Now we do a little movement to release all the stiffness on the lower vertebrae and the mid vertebrae. Change. Again, change. You can do this 5 to 10 times. 4th round. Come to the center and the legs go down. Now I have pushed a little up. Now full Merudandasana, raise the right leg up and drop it down. Grip and look in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 9 and take the leg back into position. Be in the center and raise the other leg up. Drop it down. Now grip it and pull it up. 1, 9 and come back. Relax in Shavasana. Take deep breaths. Stretch your hands out. Exhale. Breathe in. Stretch. You can do this 5 to 10 times. Breathe in. Stretch. Fourth round. Breathe in. Stretch. Now these were all the postures we do lying on the back. ठीक है?